Best Practices of Science and Technology, Rizal National High School. The Rizal National High School's logo. Knowledge is power. Dominant words printed on its faculty. The upbeat future for its brethren expressed by its blue-like wings and its taught and proudly written around the loop. The school's vision.
Miracle Family Production.
Ang ating bayan, kailan makakalag sa pagkagapos? Halos lahat tayo alipin ang pagkahigahos at tapos
Project in Biology.
Biktima ng ating mga gawat katubas ay 15.
Documentary film about environment. Science Discovery Center, the home of sciences, a great abode to discover things and a room of pliable, brethren, and creative hands. Science Organizational Chart, Science Club Officers, the industrious apprentices who guide us.
Tayo rin ang responsable.
Science activities include
bakit itong posible ay nagiging imposible? Kailan ka ba kikilos para maisalba? Kailan magwawakas ang
cycle making, slogan, essay writing, poster making, quiz-bee, and interpretative dance. The science bulletin board. Science 1, Integrated Science, a combined study of all areas of the science. Science 2, Biology, the study of living organisms. Science 3, Chemistry, the composition, structure, properties, and reactions of a substance. Science 4, Physics, the study of the natural or material worlds and phenomena. Science second part. The school's bio garden. The rays that nourish the optimistic flowers make the pessimistic weeds grow. The world of beauty and concord. A sphere of gorgeous dwellings and homespun of liable and agreeable apprentices. An utmost abode to unwind. A fine-looking place to haunt. A place where you can grasp the splendor nature of the realm. And the best conservatory for those students who desire to gain more acquaintance about science.
Natapos sa paligid ng iba't ibang basura, ilibot mo ang iyong mata, ano na bang itsura at itim pa rin ang ilog, di na nabalik sa
Its own tablet by 3 special science curriculum class. Resourceful pounds, ruling words with the true SSC apprentices as they create a painting made by wet paper. And the champion. Recycled material. Creative hands. Productivity was applied by Rizal National High School students as they make fine-looking recycled material, which includes the following: useful baskets made from papers, newspapers, and straws. Gorgeous vases made from paper. Attractive flowers also made by paper. And other materials also made by recyclable waste. Project in Biology. Industrial Fingers was presented by the agreeable students of 2 science curriculums as they took out the dress of 3 animals to have a stone-like skeletal system. This includes the following: skeleton of a frog,
pa ang ating nararanasan, kapaligiran patuloy pang mawawasan. Ano gagawin at kanino dapat umasa?
Skeleton of a fish.
Say parang ayoko nang magsing. I don't wanna breathe in the air. I hate cause it's so madumi, masyado nang polluted eh. Cause today I swear ang ibang-iba na ngayon. Mga kanal na barado at ilog na
Skeleton of a
mabaho,
dog.
sa ng bahaan, sakit sa mga tao, mababaliw na yata ako. Mga usok ng
Parts of a
pagkasyo at
skin.
ng sigarilyo,
Project in
pagsusunod ng
biology.
plastic, pati na ng mga sari.
This also a product of two science curriculum, the part of skin made from
Oh
food.
yes, I said it, I said it, I said it cause I care. Today I swear I'll help our environment. Maglilinis na po ako. Magtatanim ng mga puno, magsisegregate ng basura ko. And today I started cleaning environment. Ngayon na mismo, woohoo.
Sapat ko, linis ko.
Ngayon na mismo,
Restrain the beauty of the homestead. Dominant words keep the group of members in their minds as they claim the ground and put the fruit from its land to maintain its cleanliness.
Bite fence around, forget to save some energy. I bet you two guys is doing the same thing with me. Sorry dude, we all need to change.
Segregation of waste.
Oh yes, I said it, I said it, I said it cause I
Segregation
care.
is a process of
Today I swear
isolating
I'll
waste
help
in
our
three kinds, which includes the following:
Magbabike na lang po ako.
recyclable waste,
Magpapatay ng mga ilaw at
Non-biodegradable
magsayang ng
waste.
tubig daw. 'Cause today I started cleaning
And biodegradable
environment. No, I ain't gonna throw my waste.
collect plastic bottles to restrain its netland, and to develop your skills in making recycled materials for the needs of
I
couple.
will do some
Tree
simple
planting.
things to help stop the global
Plant
warming.
bushes for life and for the better of our reality.
Oh, today I feel like I have done something good. Taught you how to help save the earth. Isipin niyo ang buhay.
Hug and love the sphere. Feel the pleasure of life on its land. Plant trees for life. Restrain its green and clean nature for the better. And breathe its fresh atmosphere as a product of your deeds. Be a product of nature.